friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the tutorial of Black Panther action figure from the Black Panther movie. So this action figure is made of paper. I'm also going to show you the tutorial of this action figure. So first, you will need a black color A4 size paper. In that, you have to fold it and mark 4 cm in both sides. Only 8 times, and then 6 or 7 centimeter one time for the body, and if there is space, you can do 4.5 centimeter, or you can do it in another paper. So after you're done with the 4 centimeter, you have to fold it and make it in a tube. You can see the 4 centimeter, and I have made it in a tube and stuck with the tape. So you can see this is the one piece. You should have 8 pieces. 1, 2, and in one piece in these 2 pieces I have drawn the design. You can see these design should come like this. These are the leg parts, so the designs come like this, so it'll have some look. So these are the legs. No, these are the hands. Sorry, these are the hands, and then you have the legs here. Yeah. So these are the legs, first part, and the second part I have the leg standings like this, so it can easily stand. You can see it standing, and I have designs here. So after this, I'll show you the body. The body I have folded a 6.5 centimeter, and then I drew a necklace in a white color paper and stuck it here. So this is a Black Panther necklace. You can see here. And after that, the most difficult part was the head. You can see this is the head. I have drawn designs in a white paper, and then I have stuck it here. These are the eyes and their eyebrows, and there are horns here, and then the designs is like this. You can see. So now we'll just set up all the things like this. So head comes like this, and these are the legs, and these are the hands. We just set up, and then we will start with the action figure. So this is the full setup of the Black Panther action figure. Now we will start with the thing. So first we'll take 2 hands, and for this you will require tape. So you have to fit these 2 first like this. The tape part should be down, so it will be looking more cool. So first take a small stripe of tape and stick in the first one like this, and then for the second one like this. So you can see I have done it. Take a little space, so it will be easy for bending, or it won't be easy. So we have to do the same thing for the second thing. So I'll just do it. So it is done. You can see. So you can see this is done. These 2 hands are completely done. Now we'll do the legs. The legs are also the same. There's no difference in the legs. You just need to put one part here, and then put the other part here, and then fold it. Same thing for the second one. Like this, and then this. So it is done. The legs are also done, and it's bendable easily, and is closable and standing. Both well done. Okay, now we'll do the body and the hand connections. The head connections will be the last, so it will have a look, because the head should be the last. So first In this side, keep one stripe of the hand of tape, so the gum comes in this side, and take the body and we'll stick it this side. I'll just stick it in a proper way. Yeah, so now we'll stick it like this. Don't go too close, don't go too far, in the middle, and just press it, so it will have a perfection and it won't come out. So you can see, you can use a transparent tape, so it will be looking more better. And then one here, okay, so I'll put it like this. So, and then one here like this, and then one here like this. So you can see the hands are done. Hand and the body connection is done. Now we'll do the leg and the body connection. So for the legs, for the hands we have done in the bottom part. For the legs you have to do it in the upper part. Only then it can easily stick to the body. Like this we have to stick. So it should be in the upper part. So the gum comes here. And then stick one here and stick one here. So it also I need some spacing between them or the legs won't move. And then just press it. Yeah, like this. Now one should be here. So I'll just take the tape and then I just stick the tape and then stick it here. And then here. And then fold it like this. So now we have the headless Black Panther here. Now the last part is the head. So when you are doing, you can do the tube rolls and then these straps in the last. You can see this is easy. You have to make a correct measurement of this tube. So one line, and then you can just put tape around it and back of it. So it will have you can easily stand, but for most of it does not stand. Okay. So after that, this is the head here with the horns. Now we have to stick the head. Yeah, okay, and then keep the body here like this. Yeah, so you should keep it. You should stick it. The gum should come here. The gum should come here, and then stick it like this. So it depends upon you. If you want a nodding head, you have to only do this much, or if you want a statue head, you have to stick one more here. But for nodding head, the tape, I think it will come out very easy. That's why I don't do nodding heads. And then close it. Make sure that you don't make the head too big like my Black Panther. You can make it a little small. So our Black Panther action figure is ready. You can see this is the total style. You can also add more white stripes or purple stripes. So it has a vibranium, that kinetic energy purple stripes, so it will look more cool. So thank you guys for watching this video. You can also watch my other action figure tutorials. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel.